Hello everybody, welcome to our new video. If you can't see images and videos downloaded from WhatsApp in your gallery, this video is for you. You have to follow these easy steps to get your downloaded data in your mobile gallery. First of all, open WhatsApp from your mobile device and click on three dots at top right corner. Now tap on settings. Well, here you can see different options regarding WhatsApp settings. Now click on chats and enable media visibility option if it is disabled. Now you will find all your downloaded images and videos in your mobile gallery. In addition, if you're still unable to find any particular chats, videos and images in your mobile gallery, open that chat. For example, we open this chat, click on the name at the top. Now click on media visibility. Choose default yes or yes option and click on OK. In this way you will get the videos and images of that particular chat in your mobile gallery. This is the simple and easy way to fix the issue. Like and share this video if it works well for you. Also subscribe Let Me Guide channel to get more problem solving videos. Thank you.